Also, when you talk, can you talk a little louder? Oh my gosh, I had a hard time editing the video
Oh,
last time because you're so quiet. You're like, and then I had to raise the audio.
I think the first time I was too loud.
Really?
I thought I was loud. You should have told me from the beginning.
Sorry, I totally forgot. I forgot that I was even like filming a video right now because I haven't filmed the video for a long time.
For like really long.
Yeah. Look at that. So pretty.
Cute.
And guess what? If you go out, it's gonna look so much better. For this one, would you rather have this or to look like this? Obviously, not here, but like, what do you prefer? Which one?
Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been hung up on yesterdays. Woke up at noon, I'm in a daze. We'll keep on pushing anyways. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. Yeah. No way to change our yesterday. No way to change our yesterday. Stayed in but felt so far away. Last night was one big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake.
이 옆에 보시면 이 아크릴 바라고 이렇게 층으로 이렇게 나눌 수 있는 이런 아크릴 바 한국의 네이버 스토어에서 팔아가지고 한국에 있을 동안에 사가지고 가져왔어요. 이게 젤들이 이렇게 층으로 나뉘어져 있어가지고 훨씬 더 제가 이렇게 그랩하기 쉬워졌어요. 그리고 여전히 여기 조그만 곳에도 젤이 몇 가지 있답니다. 아, 그리고 요 라이트 있잖아요. 제가 예쁘다고 했던 이 라이트 한두 개씩 자꾸 떨어지는 거예요. 네일하고 있는데 막 여기 떨어져가지고 여기 막 젤들 막 엉망되고 막 이래가지고 그냥 떨어진 애들은 다시 붙이려고 하지 않고 그냥 뗐어요, 여러분.
이렇게 해볼까 했는데
안-
꼼짝도 안 해요.
꼼짝도 안 해요?
네. 요새 유지력 잘 나오신다니 너무 다행이다.
네, 아유.
초반에 비해 많이 잘 나오시네요, 그쵸?
네, 그리고 저도 이제 막 신경 안 쓰려고 하니까
아.
만지지 않으니까. 네, 그러게 되는 것 같아요.
다른 것 같아요.
얼마나 잘 써야 될까요?
이 하얀색이 좀
반 정도?
네. 확실히 제가 막 요새 막 문자를 하는데 이게 막 원래 이렇게 하잖아요. 근데 갑자기 제가 이러고 있어요. 엄지 손가락이 막 펴지고 있어요. 아까 전에 막 타이핑 계속
always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do.
야.
괜찮죠?
네.
I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind.
오,
보이시죠?
오, 우와. 우와.
아, 내가 이걸 한 번도 안 해드렸다니?
아니, 우와.
I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.